What is happening in crypto right now? Bitcoin is doing amazing things. In this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin breaking 3 of 4 very interesting and important resistances. You can already see that here in the back, and I will show you all about it in this video. As well, we're going to talk about the CME gap, which you also see here in the video. And I'm going to explain to you why that can lead to a short-term dump of the Bitcoin price. And also, because this is an algo trading channel, right? I'm going to tell you what my strategies are doing on Bitcoin right now. Have they bought already or not? All of that in this video. Make sure to stick around and let's get started. And if you are a returning subscriber, then you also know what this means right now. And if you don't know what this means, then maybe an existing subscriber can tell you down in the comments, or simply watch more of my videos and then you will figure it out. Let's get started with the video. And as always, crypto is risky. You can lose all of your money. This is not financial advice. Let's continue. If you are new around here, hey, I'm Michael, former VP of Engineering at DApp Radar. Now I'm sharing my knowledge about algorithmic trading for retail investors. I'm sharing trading strategies and how to automate them so that you don't even have to click the buttons because it happens automatically. Now let's get into the chart and see what Bitcoin is doing right now. As you can see here, I have some green circles and one red circle. What the hell is that? Well, let me explain. So as you can see here, Bitcoin was rejected by this trend line for a long time already. As you can see here, it was rejected here, like many times, okay? Here, it tried to break out and people bought and they got wrecked. Cool, right? We already know that. And then it was rejected again, but finally, it managed to break above this downsloping trend line. Cool stuff, right? But then that was not all, right? Because usually you have to retest it and then bounce from there. That would be a much better signal. Okay, but then it broke above the next resistance, which is this black line. The black line is the 200 simple moving average, okay? It broke above it, clearly great. Another barrier broken. And then it broke above the next resistance line, which is this horizontal line, which is a very strong one. And it managed to break this line very nicely. And now it is hovering above it. Well, the day is not yet over, so let's see how that will conclude. But now there is another resistance that has to be broken, which is this local top, right? As you can see, the price line, the green dotted one, is below this local top. That's why this is still red. It's not yet reclaimed, and we have to make sure that it does that. So it has to go above this, closing candles above this local top. And then if it also breaks, and that's my personal thing, above this red line here, this red line is from my own strategy, then holy moly, right? Then the price is super mega bullish, and then the chances are way higher that my strategy will actually give a buy signal. Oops, I already told you one of my strategies, right? What it's doing. So basically this is what's happening right now. Now, am I bullish? 100%. That's also why I drink from this cup. But other than that, we have one thing that might actually spoil the party, okay, in the short term. And what I mean by that is this CME gap, right? You have to understand that during the weekend, okay, during the weekend, people are trading, and they have been trading here Saturday, Sunday, right? So this was a Saturday candle, this was the Sunday candle. But during the weekend, the big money, right, the smart money is not trading because the freaking stock market is not trading. I know it's boring as hell, but that's what it is, okay? So basically, we have been pumping the price up, whereas the actual stock market has closed here. So they are still here, okay? So when the stock market opens up, okay, smart money starts trading again. The question is, do they want to buy it at the new price, which is up here now? Or do they say, nah, man, like what happened here on the weekend and before the trading actually started in the US, it doesn't really matter. Those people don't know what they're doing. And so they will crash the price back down and to retest if this is actually the line to hold and then bounce from there or not, okay? So keep that in mind, okay? The CME gap is usually closing, meaning that the price will go there to test if it's a support or if it becomes resistance, okay? So that's very important. So yes, it's bullish. I am bullish, okay? But I am not yet buying, at least not with this strategy, because it's yet to reclaim or actually to confirm, let's say, that the big money, the smart money, the ETF, because this is Bitcoin, okay? It has a freaking ETF and we have to take that seriously. So once there is confirmation, okay, once the US market opens up and I see that the price stays stable, okay, instead of crashing down back to the last closing price, it stays stable above this horizontal resistance line. It might even close above my red line. That would be amazing. I would love that. And by the way, this red line coincides as well with breaking the local top as well, right? So that is kind of what happens right now. So this red line for me is super important. I will not buy immediately once it closes above, okay? But it is a very nice confirmation signal and I don't have any other resistances left. I will just wait for my strategy to give a buy signal once it is very, very confident to do that. As you know, I don't trade a lot, only when there is high probability of success, which is why also this strategy, by the way, made a massive amount of money. This is my own strategy. It made 2,700% profit since 2018 with just 15% drawdown, which is amazing, and 66% profitable trades. This strategy works on any crypto asset, not just on this one. So that's why I trust it, and that's why I am bullish as hell, and I can't wait to freaking buy again because it was super boring lately. I was just sitting on the sidelines counting my money, but I want to get back into the action and have some fun. But okay, we have to learn to be patient and to actually buy only when the probability is high. And on this channel, I have a lot of educational videos which are life-changing. Okay, I'm not even kidding. People tell me that, and I will link one of them up there. And then you will learn why buying such pumps here is a bad idea and why you could have simply avoided it. So if you lost money here, you should have watched my channel, right? Then you would have avoided that. In any case, super bullish, waiting for the markets open today in the US, seeing what happens. Keep in mind this freaking CME gap. If you're buying now, it is very risky. Again, not financial advice, to whatever you want. I will not buy exactly right now. I will wait, okay? What happened in the past when I have been using this strategy? Well, quite easy. I have been making a lot of money here, 40%. Here I've made another 43% profit. And here was a small losing trade, which happens on the way down, but protected me from losing massive amount, like 20% in my portfolio. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm waiting for the next confirmation, the next buy signal. And I believe, right, if you ask me, that we are basically here, okay? I believe that we are very close to this buy signal that will resemble similar thing that happened here in 2020, okay? In October 2020. Sure, we're not exactly there today, okay, but very close, and that's what I'm waiting for, okay? I don't care about these small pumps. This is boring stuff. I want to have the big pump, and I don't want to get shaken out of that pump, okay? Because the strategy helps me to stay in even though there are crashes like this, right? So this is my mindset right now. Super bullish, a bit cautious about this, waiting for this strategy to buy. So that was one of my strategies. I have two more. Let me show you what they are doing right now. We have bot one. These are the numbers. You can pause the video, zoom in, check it out later. This strategy is a bit riskier. As you can see, it doesn't win a lot of trades, but it makes a lot of money and it catches trends very early. So I really love how it caught this one from October here until March 2024, made 130% profit, which was amazing. So I have part of my funds, not all, of course, because it's a risky strategy, put into this one because it catches some of the trends super nicely and I want to take advantage of that. That one is not invested yet because the volume was very low and the strategy tries to avoid fake signals. The next strategy I have is this one here. Again, pause the video, check it out. This is the one with the highest win rate and it made massive amount of money on Bitcoin as well. Max drawdown is also very good. So it does not yet buy, but it will buy very soon. And I will tell you all about it on YouTube, but especially in my Telegram. So make sure to join the Telegram and also my Twitter. But Telegram is important because I'm posting there every day, multiple times a day. It's very simple, very fast, right? So you will not miss out on anything. So make sure to join my Telegram. And if you want to automate your trading strategies the same way that I do, then use Signum. It's my own software. It's the easiest way in the universe to automate any trading view strategy that you find here in the indicators or ones that I share with you without having to change code or anything like that. It's just click, 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 no code changes. Even if it's not your strategy, you can automate it, okay? So Signum is right now in early access. It doesn't cost you anything. If you like it, use it. Later on, it will cost $25 a month. The only limitation will be that you have 25 trading bots with the $25 plan. That's the only plan we have. We keep it ultra simple. And the reason why we're doing this is because we want to be easy, right? There are no other limitations. You can connect exchanges how often you want, okay? I'm looking at you, Wonder Trading. And it's super easy to do the whole setup, right? And if you want to have access to my strategies, the ones that I show you here on my YouTube channel, then go down below to autotrading.vip. I have a masterclass where you can learn to do exactly what I do. If you care about that, go down below, click on apply for access, and you can get access after talking to me. The next video you should watch is this video over here, where I show you how to automate any trading strategy from TradingView with Signum, okay? It's fully free. Check it out. I mean, it's fully free until we finally add payments to Signum. So, I mean, use the time, right? It's kind of a gift. So this is the next video to watch. Check it out. It will change your life, and I see you in the next one.